Hello everybody and welcome to my video today. I want to share with you what I am calling a quick and dirty one sheet wonder. So let me show you what supplies you're going to need, and then I'm going to show you all the cards that I made. And let's dive in and just see what is here. So the first thing I did is I started out, the thing that I started out with is designer paper. Right? So this is from a really large pack in the annual catalog. And usually what a one sheet wonder is you pick one sheet of pattern paper and then you make a whole bunch of cards with it. You can do a 6x6 one sheet wonder, or you can do a 12x12 one sheet wonder. And I really love these because you get a lot of cards and you don't have to have a ton of supplies. What I like to do is take 2 sheets of designer paper and then do my one sheet wonder, because then I can mix and match designs, or I can pair things up, or I can just get double the amount of cards. So the great thing right now, Stampin' Up! Is offering a designer paper sale that is happening all month long. But the even better thing is tomorrow, which is Wednesday, is going to be free shipping on $75 or more. So you can pair those 2 deals together. So pick up some pattern paper and save on that, and then get free shipping. I know for sure I'm putting in an order tomorrow for a couple of my favorites, and I'm going to get that free shipping. So I picked 2 pieces of 12x12. I picked this lemon piece. So it has the lemons on it, and then it has this really pretty pink stripe. And then to go with that, I picked this piece, which is the yellow polka dots. And sometimes whatever coordinates on the other side you could use. Like you could totally do a one sheet wonder with these 2 pieces instead of the lemon piece, or you could even do it with these 2 pieces here. So you just have to pick 2 pieces that you really love. So I am calling this my Strawberry Lemonaid Class, and I've picked these 2 pieces of 12x12, and we're going to do this quick and dirty, which is going to be really fun, and you're going to see all the cards that I made. So I picked my paper. I have that. And then the next thing I picked is some cardstock. So I did some Blushing Bride Pink, some crushed curry, and I picked several pieces of that, and I'm going to use that. And then for all of my stamping, I'm going to do the 2 colors that coordinate, crushed curry and Blushing Bride. And then for the stamp set, I picked the Sweet Citrus. And this has a die, but honestly, I just fussy cut what I wanted. And then I also used the embossing folder. Now this stamp set is together, like there's these 3 images that are together, and I cut it. So I cut these 2 apart so I could use them just single. So I used this one and this one, and then I used the regular lemon, which I also cut. So these pieces here I cut to be able to use. And then I used the sentiments. So you can fussy cut them, or you could use the dies. You could get really elaborate, but I wanted these to be quick. So let me show you the cards that I made. Okay, so the fun thing about these cards is I actually made these for an add-on class for my paper party. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to offer this class digitally so you can purchase it. There's a link down below where you can get this class for $14.99, and then as a bonus you will get access to the paper party. So I thought this would be really fun. You can see all of the different things we do in the paper party, but you will get the PDF and the video that I share making these as well if you want to make these cards yourself. So I want to show them all to you. I got so many cards out of this, and what I did is I cut the one sheet wonder. In the PDF there is a chart, and it will tell you exactly how to cut your paper, and I did that. So I followed the exact chart, and I cut up the one sheet wonder. And then instead of being very specific and when I was making them and like following exactly, I just put this in a pile and I started making cards, and that's why I'm calling it my quick my quick and dirty one sheet wonder, because I really just wanted to make a bunch of cards. I was struggling, feeling creative, and I just thought, let's see what we can do. So in the PDF, I will show you exactly which card used which piece. And then I had a few pieces left over at the end, which was great. And I could have made a couple more cards, but I figured like this was enough. This was quite a few. So we have this one here. You can see where I did my stamping and my sentiment. I kept these really simple with the sentiments because I wanted some cards that just said hello, or that I could just grab if I needed a card for a certain thing and I didn't have time to make it. So this one says hello, and it has the lemons and I guess the grapefruit, since I stamped those in pink. You could also add some Wink Stella to these, some glossy accents, make those shiny. I also added sequins at the very end. You could do rhinestones. This one is a really pretty one with the embossed background. So in the PDF, I will show you what to cut, all of the measurements to cut, all of the supplies you need. And then what I do is I walk you through which cards use which pieces, or how I used them. And then at the end, you'll have, I don't know, 3 or 4 pieces that are left over that you could then make another card with. But this was just so fun. And then there are the measurements on the PDF along with a photo. And then, like I said, I do a video walkthrough of exactly what I did and how I put these together. This one says, thanks a bunch. Just wanted to hug you, or I just want to hug you. I love that. Again, some Wink Stella would be really pretty on here. And one of my sequins came off. That's okay, I can fix that. So there's this one. I love that. And I love the sequence. And then I also added a little bit of ribbon to a couple of these, which you can totally do. And I just used whatever was in my stash. So whatever pink ribbon I had and yellow ribbon I had on hand, that's what I used. You'll see some yellow ribbon here in a minute. So that's the next card. And then I did some regular embossing, which I should have done more of, quite honestly. So here's that one. So I would love for you to pick up this digital class that I'm offering with the PDF and the video. There is a link below that you can do that, and then you will hear from me. All of this comes out on Friday when the paper party gets started, and then you can hang out with us and check out the paper party. It is $14.99 to get the PDF for all of this, which includes the video, but you will get so much more for that. There are several videos and projects just that we do within the paper party, and then on Friday and Saturday we will be doing a lot of lives and sharing. So pick up that PDF in the link below and come join us, make this class, see what a quick and dirty one sheet wonder is all about. And then don't forget, tomorrow with Stampin' Up is free shipping, and you can pick up that designer paper. I will have the supplies I used for these cards linked below, as well as on my blog post for today. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I will be back on Thursday to share a Project Life video with you, and then I am hoping to get to my craft room decor video. If that does not happen this Friday, it will happen next Friday. I'm just under the gun with the paper party coming up and creating so much content for that I'm hoping to break away and do a little filming for the craft room decor. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and I will catch you in my video on Thursday.